get some food, flowers, seeds, and be in nature. So I changed the song to Someday I'll farm a small green plot, and bingo is its name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and bingo is its name. Oh, little wetlands here. There is some water there. This is the Curtin Springs. Over here too. Perhaps you can hear the little tinkle of the water. And then I got the idea of contracting garden, spelling it G-A-R-D-N. Someday I'll farm a small green plot, and garden is its name. Oh, G-A-R-D-N, 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 and garden is its name. Oh, another song I used to share with the kids when I was a substitute teacher in elementary school. Only preschool to 3rd grade could I get away with it, or in music class when I substituted for the music teacher, and that was, are you sleeping or are you faking, Sister Jane, Brother John? Morning bells are ringing, birds and bees are singing, ding dong ding, chirp chirp booze. Side effect of that was when I'd see the students, I did that for like 6 years. When I saw people the next year or second or third year, and I got to have them in class, they wouldn't recognize me, remember me, until I shared that song to them.